Hi everyone, welcome to How Fix It. In this video guide, I'm going to show you how to completely disassemble an Xbox Series X or Series S controller. To disassemble an Xbox controller, you will need the following tools: 2 screwdrivers, Torx T8 and Torx T6, plastic opening tools, tweezers. I also recommend using a magnetic mat and laying out each screw step by step during the disassembly process. Throughout this repair, keep track of each screw and make sure it goes back exactly where it came from to avoid damaging your Xbox controller. Thanks to the magnetic base, the screws stay on the mat and you will not lose them. In the description, I left links where you can buy all the necessary repair tools. If you spilled water or sweet liquid on your gamepad and you are looking for instructions on how to clean your controller from sticking buttons, I recommend watching my other video guide where I show you how to do it. In the description, I left a link to this step-by-step instruction. Let's get back to disassembling the Xbox controller. Remove the 2 rear panels and unscrew the 4 screws with a Torx T8 screwdriver. Another screw is hidden under the sticker. You can warm up the surface of the sticker. It will be easier to remove it. Now you can remove the front panel. Remove the 2 analog sticks, and the back panel is easily unclipping. Disconnect the 2 antennas, then remove the screws using a Torx T6 screwdriver. Remove the 2 screws and remove the last 2 triggers. Pry slightly from below to disconnect the 2 boards. The Xbox gamepad consists of 2 boards. The first board is the main board of the gamepad. It includes 4 soldered vibration motors, 2 analogs, wireless, and control chip. In the description, I left links where you can buy a motherboard for the Xbox Series X or Series S gamepad. Remove the mini jack connector. Use a Torx T6 screwdriver to remove the 6 screws. Then you can remove the second board. The second board is an additional board that includes contact pads for controlling buttons and batteries. If one of the buttons on your controller is not working, replacing that board should fix the problem. In the description, I left links where you can buy a button control board for the Xbox Series X or Series S gamepad. Remove the silicone pad to remove all buttons from the front panel of the controller. Remove the metal brackets to remove the D-pad. At this step, the Xbox gamepad is completely disassembled. All links for replaceable parts I left in the description under the video. So take a short break and let's begin reassembling the Xbox controller. The gamepad is assembled. Now let's check how it works. Each button is fully functional. Sticks and analogs work correctly. The repair can be considered successful. In conclusion, I can recommend my other video instruction, where I show you how to disassemble and clean from dust Xbox Series X or Xbox Series S. If your Xbox is overheating and making a lot of noise, it's better to clean your game console. You are on How Fix It, and see you guys next time.